You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this expression from French that you may hear used quite a bit in France? It's quite a nice way to say darn it, or dang it, or heck, to express a satisfaction, or, when you say, shit, I've lost my keys, for example. When you've missed something, you've missed a goal. In basketball, for example, you've missed a basket. Zut, alors is how it's said. Now you have a liaison, so you link up the T at the end of zut to the A that follows, and you say zut alors, zut alors, zut alors. The S at the end of alors is silent. Zut alors, I missed the basket. Zut alors. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.